Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use laptop screen as main monitor. Let's start by opening the screen option. To do this, we will first go to Start and then click on Settings. Here inside, we click on Display to see the options. Here you will see your available screens that you can identify. In this case, there are two screens. To make modifications to the main screen, first tap on the Multiple Displays drop-down to see options. Then tap on the screen you want to make primary. You will see that it turns blue. Then check the box, Make this my main display, to configure it as such. If the checkbox appears unchecked on one of the screens, that's because that's the main one right now. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.